What's going on, everybody? My name's Aimee, and today we're unboxing the Spring FAB FIT FUN box. As a reminder, if you didn't see my last video, FAB FIT FUN is a subscription box. I know a lot of people buy it for themselves, or you can buy it for a friend or a relative as a gift, but what it is a subscription, and every season you or your receiver receives a box, and within that box is different items. There's different tier grades. The person ordering the subscription box can have the options between different items. Some of them you choose, some of them you don't. I received this for my birthday from my mom. So this is my second box. My first box was the winter box. This is box number 2, the spring box, and I'm super excited to open it. So let's get right into it. Here we go. Okay, it's time to begin. So first we have Suns Out, Pouts Out. Very cool. 4-piece of gold foil lip mask. I like that. That's cool, nice and juicy, nice and thick. Get my puckers on. What are these? SayHello.com. Oh, cool. Say reusable beauty rounds. So these are reusable makeup rounds or makeup removers, makeup rounds. That's cool because I was looking at these the other day. Well, not these ones specifically, but I was looking at these. Very eco-friendly. They smell really good. All right, we got 3 little guys right here. This is a big one, actually, though. Clean luxury hair mask. Perfect. I was in need of this. Hair mask, everyone could use some. Next on the list we have, it looks like some soap. We have Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. Very nice. This is gonna come in handy. Also smells really good. Yes. MAC Powder Kiss Lipstick. I've been eating some Jet Red. This is getting good. What else do we have? Oh, that's so cute. I could use this when I go to the beach. It's a bucket hat, but with daisies on it. Alice and Olivia by Stacey Bennett. Reversible bucket hat. We have some black daisies on one side, just plain white on the other. I dig it. This one caught my eye as soon as I opened the box. Oh my God. I sure hope it's a fruit carrier purse thing. This is Camp Collection. Let's make memories. Packaging's really cute. A+ for that. Oh, that is so, it's a little purse. I'm gonna put my oranges and bananas in here and walk around town. It looks so cute. This is the cutest. This is super cute. Very boho. This is me. We'll go with this one. This is the next one that I saw. Again with the boho. My mom did really good. This is Jenny Kane. Looks like a little fruit holder again with the fruit. I don't know why I'm talking about fruit so much. Fruit holder or a little makeup holder I can definitely see, or candles. This is cute. This is really nice. It's a woven tray. Love that. Super cute. We're down to the final 2. We have Earth Harbor Marina. Purely natural, ethical, sea active, plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, woman owned. Wow. Oh, cool. Okay, so the ritual. Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. Nice, because I still, from the last video that I posted, still don't have a skincare routine, so this is gonna be really great whenever I start. Now I can use my last box and this box to get it going, but okay. Blue tansy. I like it. I'm excited to give this a try. Last but not least, but we're down to our final one. What's it gonna be? Uh-oh. We got another MAC Powder Kiss lipstick. Brr, 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 brr. Oh, this is so pretty. It's like a nice rose color. Wow, this was a very, very exciting box. I'm actually really happy about this. Shout out to my mom. Thank you for the good picks. So again, this was the FAB FIT FUN spring box. We got 2 lipsticks, we got a cute little bag, we got a woven tray, I have some face toner, I have some face cleanser, a bucket hat, a bar of soap, some hair repair, and some reusable rounds. I'm happy, I'm excited to use this stuff. Thank you again for tuning into this box opening. What are we gonna get in the next box? I have no idea. I'm super excited for this one to come. If you like this video, check out my last video if you didn't see that one. And make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button if you didn't already. Thanks, see you next time.